नमस्कार, मैं बलबीर कश्यप बीओकॉम बिहार सिरा जोन जिला कैथल हरियाणा एक नए जानकारी एक नई वीडियो के साथ अपने एडू मीडिया यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। चलिए जानते हैं कि क्या है ये जानकारी और किस के लिए ये है, किस पर लागू होती है। आप देख पा रहे हैं मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट डेट बाउंड प्रेषक हैं निदेशक सेकेंडरी शिक्षा हरियाणा पंचकुला के माध्यम से सभी निदेशक SCRT गुरुग्राम राज्य के जबरी सभी जिला शिक्षा अधिकारी राज्य के सभी प्राचार्य डाइट गैटिस के नाम 29 अगस्त 2023 को ये लेटर जारी किया गया है। विषय है कवरेज अंडर पंजाब सिविल सर्विस रूल्स CSR वॉल्यूम 2 नाउ हरियाणा सिविल सर्विसेज पेंशन रूल 2016 in place of new defined contributions pension scheme of those government employees who were recruited against the post vacancy advertisement notified for recruitment on or before 28 October 2005। उपरोक्त विषय के मामले में विषयांकित मामले में अतिरिक्त मुख्य सचिव हरियाणा सरकार वित्त विभाग से प्राप्त हुए क्रमांक 1/1/2004-1 पेंशन एफडी दिनांक 8 मई 2023 की प्रति आगामी आवश्यक कार्य हेतु प्रेषित है। तो चलिए जानते हैं कि अगली जानकारी क्या है। ये लेटर जारी हुआ था गवर्नमेंट ऑफ हरियाणा फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट चंडीगढ़ के द्वारा, जो कि 8 मई 2023 को किया गया था। क्या है ये ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम? सब्जेक्ट वही सेम है ऊपर जो हमने अभी डिस्कशन किया है। आगे चलते हैं। आई एम डायरेक्टेड टू इनवाइट योर काइंड अटेंशन टू द फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट नोटिफिकेशन डेटेड 18/8/2008 where in the defined contribution employees appointed on or after 1/1/2006 was notified under further relevant restructuring guideline issued by letter number pension dated 4/12/2008 and other from time to time. Instructions were also issued wide letter number dated 22/6/2020, 27/1/2022, 20/10/2022, 16/11/2022 और 17-21 फरवरी 2022, 10 अक्टूबर 2022 और 5/12/2022। Consequent on introduction of National Pension Scheme NPS wide Government of Haryana notification dated 28/10/2005, all state government employees appointed on or after 1/1/2006 to the post in the state government service are mandatorily covered under the NPS, the Punjab CSR Volume 2 and other connected rules were also amended by notification dated 28 October 2005, and after the said amendment those rules are not applicable to the government servants appointed to government service after 31/12/2005। Government of India wide OM number dated 3 March 2023 has decided to give one-time option in all cases where the central government civil employees has been appointed against a post or vacancy which was advertised, notified for recruitment appointment prior to the date of notification for National Pension Scheme 22/12/2003 and is covered under the National Pension Scheme on joining or on or after 1/1/2004 to be covered under the CCS Pension Rule 1972 now 2021. Various representation has been received in Finance Department from the state government employees servant appointed on or after 1/1/2006 requesting for extending the benefit of pension scheme under the Punjab CSR Volume 2 on the ground that their appointment was made against the post vacancy advertised, notified for recruitment prior to the notification for NPS. Even some state government employees servant have also filed court case for claiming such benefit. The state government, after due consideration, has decided that in all cases where the state government applies servants has been appointed against a post or vacancy which was advertised, notified for recruitment, appointment prior to the date of notification for new defined contribution pension scheme, that is 28/10/2005, and is covered under the defined contribution pension scheme Haryana new pension scheme 2008, on joining service on or after 1/1/2006 may be given a one-time option to on joining service to be covered under the Punjab CSR Volume 2 Now Haryana Civil Service Pension Rule 2016. The option may be exercised by the concerned state government applies servants latest by 31 August 2023. Those government applies servants who are eligible to exercise option in accordance with point number 1 above but who do not exercise the option by the stipulated date of 31st August 2023 shall continue to be covered by the defined contributory pension scheme Haryana new pension scheme 2008. The option once exercised shall be final. The matter regarding coverage under the Punjab CSR Volume 2 Now Haryana Civil Service Pension Rule 2016 based on the option exercised by the state government applies servant shall be placed before the appointing authority of the post for which such option A being exercised for consideration in accordance with these instructions. In case the government applies servants fulfill the condition for coverage under the Punjab CSR Volume 2 Now Haryana Civil Service Pension Rule 2016 in accordance with these instructions, necessary order in this regard shall be issued latest by 31 October 2023. The NPS account of such state government apply servants shall consequently be closed with 31 December 2023. All administrative departments are requested to give wide publicity to these orders without fail. The case of those state government apply servants who fulfill the condition mentioned in this office memorandum and who exercise option to switch over the pension scheme under Punjab CSR Rule Volume 2 Now Haryana Civil Service Pension Rule 2016 may be settled by AD departments in accordance with this order. The state government applies servants who exercise option to switch over the pension scheme under Punjab CSR Rule Volume 2 Now Haryana Civil Service Pension Rule 2016 shall be required to subscribe to the General Provident Fund GPF. The accounting procedure for above said system is required to be described the Director General Treasury and Account Department Haryana in due course in consultation with Principal Accountant General A&E Haryana and all concerned authority. It is requested to bring the above instruction to the notice of employees working under your control. The above instruction can be downloaded from the website of Finance Department www.finharyana.government.in। तो ये लेटर था न्यू पेंशन स्कीम से जीपीएफ में जाने के लिए।